Hey yo guys, my name is Hasamir and you're watching my channel Unboxing and Discovery Files Packet. So today we're just gonna play Silver Surfer for the first time in a PC. I've downloaded an Android emulator, so we'll try that how it works in a PC. So here's it. The space for hoverboard and up, blah blah, left, mouse move to left, right, move right, blah blah. Okay, I've done. Just load fast. I want to play Subway Surfer in the PC for the first time. I don't know how it will work or anything. I want to try it fast. Oh, why is it taking so long? What? Oh, here's my email. It's so tiny. Some visitors would like to allow. Okay, fast. Loading should be fast. Fast loading, fast loading. What up? Be fast. I want to play it. Oh, why are we not being fast? Oh my god. Oh, what the? Fast, you nasty. What I call you? It's about to be loaded. I don't know why is it taking so long. Yeah, it's about to be done. Yeah, it's done. I was born in, I think 18. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's also good. Okay. Blah blah. Okay, we'll just try to play it on a PC now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is the jump. Okay. So yeah, it's the same. I've just used the keyboard. What? It's a normal thing. What? Okay, we'll just play a little and make a high score. Maybe I should see the, what do you call, the next logo type thing that it told us now. It's good for a PC. Guys, I want to tell you one thing, that this is an Android emulator I'm using on a PC. This Android emulator is called Android emulator. I used it a lot of times and it's very good. Okay, this is the normal Subway Surfer. It's very normal. Everything is here. What's this? Okay. Everything is normal over here. So this is our Subway Surfer. We'll try some other games now too. For example, hill climb racing. I'll just take it over here. I don't know why it just takes so long. It's fast. Oh, what the? Don't go anywhere. Yeah. Here's the hill climb racing. We'll just play this. So the brake is A and the gas is B. Okay, we know it a lot. It could be shown in the Windows Store too. I played it in the store of Windows 2. I play in Windows 8.1. I have a Windows 10 DVD, but I don't upgrade it because I don't know why. Okay, this is the Hill Climb Racing, the first version. It's a very old version. What the? Oh, I hate this. It's taking so long. Please don't leave the video. It's about to be over. What the? Yeah. Stop. Please stop. What the? Yeah, that's good. Now, let's go. Normal. It's the same as the mobile. The difference between the mobile and this is not a big difference. It's totally the same, but in this it's a little hanging and stopping for a while and adds them. But still, you can play much more games on it. What? No. Yeah. I'm not playing this game for a while. After this, we're gonna play Special Group 2. I don't know why it's taking so long, but still we'll play Special Group 2 after this. Okay, this is stupid. This is also normal. Okay. This is everything. Everything has been updated. Okay, it's good. Not bad. Okay, it's normal. We'll just go to the other games. So yeah, now we'll play Special Group 2. Where is it? Where? What? It isn't downloaded yet. Maybe it's somewhere else. Yeah, here's the Special Group 2. 4 games. It's good. And it's good for PC because the Ultimate Gaming can only be played in PC. Mostly it's only on mobile phones. For PC, there's Fortnite, PUBG PC, and Delta Force, Counter-Strike. There are lots of games for PC. But this will work good in PC, I think. But first, we'll wait till the game turns on. Guys, if you want to make this video quick, you can skip the video, but from my side, please don't skip the video. Fast, why is it taking so long? What the? Oh, fuck, I don't know how to call it. Oh my god. It takes a lot of time. Oh no, why is it taking so long? We'll just leave this one in the side for a while and play the next game. Please turn the next game on. Oh my god. What why is it turning on? I want to turn it on now. Maybe it's not working. What the no. Why isn't it working, bro? Maybe I can play this one next time. After a while I will make another video so I could play it after a little while, because this is not opening right now. Okay, if you like the video, like this video, and if you want to watch more of these videos, subscribe my channel and comment down below the name of the game so I could download and play them. So see you later guys, bye.